Another PETA sign lakad and Kid Estrada. Congratulations KDLEX dahil po ay isa ang KDLEX sa theater kung saan ay nagkakaroon ng nominasyon kasama ang KDLEX for fearlessly embarking in the world of theater and captivating audiences with stellar, sold out and performances showcasing and unparalleled acting prose that gamers commendation and applause. KDLEX Alexa Elakad Kid Estrada nominee in the fourth #GAWAD BALISONG. Praying for manifesting guys for KDLEX. Sana po manalo ang KDLEX for GAWAD BALISONG. Well-deserved nomination dahil magaling talaga sila. Congrats KDLEX and thank you so much for their nomination at #Balisong Awards. And so much deserved ayon dito sa comment for recognizing their talents of KDLEX. Congratulations my loves for nominee and manifesting for prayer. So ayan guys, wag niyo pong kalimutan na sana po ay manalo ang KDLEX dito sa GAWAD Balisong. Malaking bagay karangalan ito kung sakaling manalo sila. And first time nila dito sa GAWAD Balisong. Congrats!